Hey, what's up you guys? It's Bree. It's your favorite train wreck. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And I'm crazy. So today, as you can probably tell from the title, I'm doing a Fabfitfun unboxing. I already have the box opened up here, and I'm just going to show you the extra thing that I bought. And by extra, I mean extra AF. Like, why did I purchase this? It was a cute hammer. I wanted a hammer, and it was cute, so why not buy a freaking hammer? You know what I'm saying? So it's just got like palm trees here, like rose gold on the bottom. There's literally like 3 or 4 like screwdrivers in here, which is crazy to me. So there's this one, and then you twist this off, and there's this one, and then there's another one in here, I swear to God. Yeah, so there's 3 here, which I just like figured out. So there's 3. I'm just gonna leave that and twist that on later. And then you actually twist this off, and there's another one, like a giant one. So this is like actually pretty cool. It's pretty compact, and it's actually it's got some weight to it. So it's not some like dinky decorated hammer, you know, like it's just for decor, not actually hammering anything. So yeah, I thought that was super cute. Typical beauty guru. No, I'm just kidding. I'm far from a beauty guru. So there's just this like magazine thingy. I don't know. I kind of want my box to be a secret. Show us your unboxing. You could win big. Oh, okay. Well, this is my unboxing. Coupon code, what's in the box, I don't want to know, I want it to be a surprise. I did order this a couple months ago, and it just came in today. It's seasonal, so you get it 4 times a year. This is the summer box, and then you get it spring, winter, and fall. So I thought that was pretty cool, and it's like $49.99, I think, every season, so it's like, whatever. We got a mask. And I think it's got a little thingy, like, oh yeah, it's got like a little gel pack in here so you can freeze it, I guess. Put it on your eyes, reduce the swelling. This I just opened off camera because it didn't have a thingy, easy open thing. Do they put cruelty-free products in here? Are all these cruelty-free? This one is cruelty-free. You can see a little bunny there. So this is like a towel for your thing, for your head. So that's cute. You just shove your wet hair in there and boom. There. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Tarte High Performance Naturals eyeshadow palette. I just saw Tarte and I got really excited. And it's pink and gold, which is like my freaking favorite. So, oh my god. So these are all the colors. Ooh, this one looks nice. Ooh, they all look pretty nice actually. Wow. It says Tarte on it, so I don't want to like ruin it. It says Tarte like engraved in every eyeshadow. Ooh, that one doesn't really show up. Alright, Speak Up doesn't really speak out. Wow. These are really pretty, and these are like colors that I wear every day, so it's like perfect for me. Wow, thank you. I was gonna say thank you, Tarte, but Tarte did not send me this. I freaking wish. Hit me up, Tarte. Deep conditioning mask. Don't despair, repair. And it's like this Geo brand, I don't know. Yeah, it's a hair mask. Leave it in for 10 minutes before rinsing. Cover the hair in a plastic cap to retain moisture while sitting under the dryer for 20 minutes, then rinse. If you have a freaking hairdresser, just sit under their dryer. Kate Somerville, all skin types, exfoliate. Intensive exfoliating treatment. Okay. So I'm assuming this is for your face. So that's cool. I need this. So it kind of seems like a mask, but like also seems just like an exfoliator. Use once or twice a week. Apply a thin, even layer to a clean, wet face. Massaging in a circular motions for 30 seconds. Leave on for up to 2 minutes. Okay, so wow, it's just like literally an exfoliator, but like you leave it on there for a couple minutes. Interesting. I'm really excited for that, actually. Let's do this. So I think this is the tote, which I think you could have, I think I chose the color of this. I can't really remember. I think I did. Oh, I didn't expect it to be that big for some reason. I don't know why it wouldn't be that big, but cool. It's like blue and then like tannish colors. It's got like the rope handles. It's Summer and Rose, the brand, I guess. And is this cruelty free? I'm just kidding. So next, I did already open this part. It's a mug, and it says, "I'd rather be in bed," which I'm pretty sure is on the actual mug too. Oops, ripped the styrofoam. Yep. I'd rather be in bed with little gold eyelashes and lefty probs. You won't see it while I drink it, but I can see it while I drink it. Problems of being a lefty. There's styrofoam in here too. I probably just threw that in there. Wow, I like this color. I like the gold white and this like turquoisey, bluish, greeny. Last but not least, we have these bath bombs, which I'm really excited for. Moisturizing and organic ingredients used. And it's cruelty free and not tested on animals. So I wonder if like everything in here is cruelty free. This doesn't say. That's cruelty free. Naturally derived formula. It doesn't say if it's cruelty free. Huh. Interesting. I'll have to check that out. I know Tarte is cruelty free. Yeah, they are. I think it's Benefit that's not cruelty free. So there's, oh my god, it smells so good. Red Rose, which I smelled right off the bat. French Lavender, Fig and White Peach, Grapefruit, and Mandarin. So this says like different ones here on this label. Like this one says wellness, keep calm, good vibes, and energize. So whatever you want to feel, you just shove it in the bath and off you go. Awesome. They smell so good. I'm excited to use these. Well, that's everything except for this crap. So thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if like you got this box, if you want to get this box, if you used to get this box but you discontinued. Like, tell me what's happening. How's life? How are you? How's the kids? How's mom? I don't know. All the links will be down below as always, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay strong. Mwah.